In this video, we're going to cover how to call or email with the suggested actions automation. Suggested actions are a great way to make your outreach even more efficient. Tasks or workflow steps that would normally require you to navigate to the contact record page can be contacted directly from within the activity. So to get started, all you have to do is actually create that task. So let's say you need to call someone back. Let's go ahead and categorize that as client service and relate that to Delilah Jones. When I add that task, once I'm actually ready to start working on it, I could go ahead and click on the task and I'll have the ability to call the client directly from within here. By clicking on call, this would allow me to choose which phone number I would like to reach out to that's on the contact record page. And this, of course, uses the built-in click to call feature. Now, if I wanted to email my client instead, let's just edit this task here. Email about form signature. That will automatically prompt me to email my client. By clicking on the email action here, that'll open up a compose window allowing me to email the client with the Wealthbox mail feature, and it will actually relate that email to the activity itself so I could reference it in the future. And that is how to call or email with the suggested actions automation in Wealthbox.